talking. Me and Danny here. I know. Who am I throwing my talking? JJ, I'm here with Daniel, Danny, Sam. And today, we're going to go show off our yard because me and Steven, you can ask him, I was gone for like 2 hours. He was just in here playing Call of Duty by himself for like 2 hours. I was outside using a pickaxe and a shovel, and me and my grandma's boyfriend, we were landscaping. So me and Daniel are going to go show that off. Or Daniel's just going to sit there. So what? We're just going to go show off some things. Some things about things and other things. We're going to show this off. Up in this beach. Bleach. So right now, they don't want us to film, but I'm still going to do it anyway. Well, I'm filming you right now, so. Okay, you put that on Facebook out there, you know, and I'll make you get computer away from you. Okay. So look at what we did. Look at what we did, guys. Look at that. So beautiful, right? So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, we have to do that too. Yeah, I have to do all that.